In this video, we will learn how to give a good-looking initial formatting to an Excel spreadsheet. This is how a spreadsheet looks when you open a new Excel file. What we want to do is render it as clear and professional looking as possible from the beginning of our work. Therefore, let's do the following. I'll select the entire worksheet by clicking on this button. This can be done also by clicking Ctrl+A. And assign a white color to the cells of the sheet. Okay, all cells in the sheet become white. Let's select Arial as a font and 9 as a font size. Perfect. The next step will be to reduce the width of the first column. This is done easily. We just have to select the column, right-click on it, and choose Column Width. Let's adjust it to 1.25. Okay, the final correction to be made is to create a title cell on the top of the page in cell B1. I'll leave the Arial font, but will adjust the font size to 12 and put it in bold. Let's change the color of the title text as well, picking dark blue. I'll name the sheet as Formatting a Worksheet. Here is our nice sheet, professionally formatted and ready for work. If you go through the next videos of the course, and specifically the one dedicated to macros, you will learn how to perform all these operations with a single click. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Thanks for watching. In this section of the course, we are showing useful tips which aim to facilitate your work in Excel. The topic of this extract is fast scrolling through Excel sheets. When working with a vast amount of data, it is crucial to move fast within the sheet without losing precious time in order to scroll manually. The Excel shortcut for fast scrolling is Ctrl plus one of the arrow keys. This command takes you to the last non-blank cell. Let's provide an example. Here we have a table which contains 15,000 rows. Is there a fast way to go to the end of the table? Currently, I'm in cell D4. By holding the Control key and pressing down arrow, I find myself instantly in row 15,121, which is the last non-blank cell. This command allows you to go in every direction, downwards, upwards, to the right, and to the left. If we want to select the cells, we have to hold Shift as well, in a manner that we will be pressing Control, Shift, and an arrow key at the same time. See? This allows me to quickly select large ranges of cells and work efficiently. This is how you can scroll fast and quickly select large cell ranges. Thanks for watching. In this extract, we'll learn how to fix cell references and explain why this is an important part of modeling skills. Let's type the following formula within the spreadsheet we see. I'll multiply the volume by the cost per unit in order to obtain the total cost for the given item. Here's the result. You can see in the formula bar that these are the references of the cells which we multiplied. Now the next thing I'd like to do is to multiply the volume by the price per unit. What if I copy the formula to the right? We immediately notice that its arguments move to the right as the references are not fixed. This is not what we need here. We wanted to keep one of the arguments of the old formula, but change the other. Volumes had to remain fixed, while the cost per unit should be flexible. The way to do that is to put a $sign in front of the reference we would like to remain fixed. Dollar signs are the symbol used in Excel in order to fix references. In our case, by putting a $sign in front of the column letter G, we'll make sure that when we copy the formula to the right, this argument will remain fixed and we'll be able to multiply the volume by the price per unit. Row references can be fixed as well. For example, if we fix the row reference 4 after G, When we copy the formula downwards, the cell will not change. See how when I copy the formula downwards, the fixed cell remains static? Fixing cell references in the right way helps you organize your sheets well and works more efficiently. By the end of this course, you'll have seen plenty of practical examples of how it's done. For now, this will do. Thanks for watching.